Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best and most reliable products on the market. Today, we're diving into what could easily be called one of the best Gardenline products available, the EWPJDK 3-pack stainless steel pruning shears. Whether you're an avid gardener, a weekend hobbyist, or someone who just loves keeping plants neat and healthy, these pruning shears might be exactly what you need. First, let's talk about what makes this set stand out. This 3-pack comes with 3 different types of pruning shears, each designed to tackle various gardening tasks. From trimming delicate flowers and herbs to cutting light branches, this versatile set is made to handle it all. The blades are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and sharpness that lasts. This means you'll get clean, precise cuts every time, which is essential for the health of your plants. One of the highlights of these pruning shears is their ergonomic design. The handles are made from a combination of polypropylene and thermoplastic rubber, offering both strength and comfort. The rubber grips are non-slip, making it easy to hold and control the shears, even if your hands get sweaty or wet. This reduces hand fatigue during long gardening sessions and gives you better precision and safety. Speaking of safety, these shears come with a secure locking mechanism that keeps the blades safely closed when not in use. This feature is incredibly important because it helps prevent accidental injuries, especially if you have children around or need to carry the shears in your gardening bag. The lock is easy to engage and disengage, making it practical for everyday use. The design of the blades is also worth noting. They feature a bypass blade style with a straight edge and a rounded point, which means they work by slicing through stems rather than crushing them. This style is ideal for promoting faster healing and healthier regrowth in your plants. Plus, the ambidextrous design means they're comfortable to use whether you're left or right-handed. At just over 13 ounces, these shears are lightweight but still sturdy enough to handle a variety of pruning tasks without feeling flimsy. The compact size and classic styling make them easy to store and carry around the garden. The color scheme, yellow, orange, and black, also makes them easy to spot among your gardening tools. Now, let's consider the practical applications. This set is perfect not only for trimming flowers and herbs but also for bonsai care, hydroponics, and light branch pruning. Whether you have a small balcony garden or a larger backyard, these shears offer versatility and quality in one affordable package. They even make a thoughtful gift for friends who enjoy gardening. Finally, the manufacturer stands behind the quality of these pruning shears, which is always reassuring when investing in new tools. While no batteries or power source is required, these are fully manual tools. They deliver efficient and precise cutting performance that you can rely on. To sum up, the EWPJDK 3-pack stainless steel pruning shears offer a combination of sharp, durable blades, ergonomic and safe design, and versatile use that makes them a top choice for gardeners. If you're looking for dependable pruning shears that can handle multiple tasks with ease, this set deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more in-depth looks at the best products out there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.